Now we see this channel. It is a short video that specializes in historical stories. Moreover, many people like to watch these short historical videos, especially in the long river of history. There are a lot of very fascinating and huge events happening, and the most popular one played video. It has 14 million views. These 4 videos all have tens of millions of views. Then in Social Blade you can. The income of this channel that detected it. Highest time of the month. Achieved $6,000 in passive income. More than $75,000 in passive income a year. So let him spend most of the day. He also earned more than $300. You count of his channel videos. Why are these videos so popular? Perhaps the historical events are fascinating and the novelty of AI creation. It just posted 24 videos. Lead to such a hot playback volume, and he didn't show his face. No video recorded either. No explanation video required. You can create videos through AI. Ability to create these videos with one click. How to do it? If you are interested in today's topic, come with me. We can open a video and take a look.
What did Abraham Lincoln's assassination look like? On the evening of April 14, 1865, Abraham Lincoln was attending a play at Ford's Theater in Washington, D.C. The president's box was located on the balcony level, providing a clear view of the stage. A Confederate sympathizer, John Wilkes Booth, slipped in.
Can be noticed? This video is just from AI pictures and AI pronunciation. There is also a background music composed of, and these pictures of him. In fact, they are all created through AI, and the pronunciation is also read aloud by a robot. So you don't need to know how to read English by yourself. How is the video created? We only need one tool. Let's first come to the AI toolbox for this tool. Find is a chat tool, because if we start from codes, tags are very useful when creating content. Like GPT, there are many traffic restrictions, so I can't use it. I will share this website with you today, a free and usable AI chat tool. This is a comprehensive chat tool. We can click on it. This is all his robots. It's here. We need to come through a writing robot. I need some text material, so if you write on the official website through Chat GPT 4, you must become a member. But here this website is completely free. We click to open this Chat GPT 4. I need him to provide me with some famous events in the world. If you want more, then you can go ahead and make the request. I want more content. Selected the historical event of the Third Gulf War. So this event, we continue through. His content is also written here. So I'm just going to copy this title over here. So I'm just going to paste it right here. He can briefly introduced to me news about this incident in the Gulf War. I can pass this news to create short videos. Now the latest launch is Chat GPT 4.0. Write this text. See what kind of content you can write. He quickly wrote the entire copywriting content. And finding this is TikTok AI. Just ask him to write the title just now. This content. Just write the copy of a short video. You can also find this video of the assassination of Lincoln. Let's use this tool to write a copy. Take a look at his text creations via this TikTok. What does the written copy look like? So we can write through this copy. We can use this copy directly to create videos. Let's come to the AI toolbox again. This is how you can create videos with just one click. These software. We found this as a Flicky authoring tool. So this tool, we can all use it for free. Plug in directly. You just need to pass your just a good account. Then let's click on New File. Then here, we give a title. It was an incident involving the assassination of Lincoln. Then select 916 below. I just want to make a short video. The one I chose was created through copywriting. Make a script to create. Then click Continue. Just fill in the text content I just entered. Arrange everything and fill it all in. Then here you can still go and choose the length of your creative video. 30 seconds or a minute or more. Then you go and choose this side for 30 seconds. Because I'm just giving a demonstration. Then you choose video. Still a picture. I'll take the picture as an example. Then I choose. These are the types of pictures you have. If it were a 3D picture, or some anime pictures, etc., you choose the one you like better. Anything artistic is fine. I choose the first one to try. Then you choose a template. This is a template for your display. Then click one. Then we click next. It's that simple. This will help you create videos. That means you can make it by just copying and pasting. Short video. So next we just need to wait. Minutes. It doesn't even take a few minutes to plan it. We can click to open. See it content in these pictures. We can also modify the content of these images to regenerate. For example, if we click this regenerated button, automation is generated again, because we can fill in this picture, or regenerate it into a picture. Let's continue here to put what he just said. Content of this topic will be placed here later. Re-click to generate a new picture like this. You can use this image. Changed pictures. This time it is also very simple. Here is another one generated. Or I can make another one. It already has background music and has chosen it for you. And these pronunciations have been selected for you. And you can also choose. Choose some pronunciation types. And you can also listen here. After audition, then choose the pronunciations you like. And we can also come and listen to it. Please fill in the audition form here. When your video content is ready, we can click this download button. Then choose the ratio of your video. Output this video. We can also use the second method. An easier way to create short videos can improve your efficiency. I'll just do it directly. Just use this title to generate this video. Of course, we chose a video because I want just a title. Just help me generate a video. So this method is simpler. Here is a minute of my choice. Choose the second. Real effect like a movie. Let's choose a template again. Now we just need the next step. I just use a title. That is, there is content. You can create short videos. So this website is very convenient, and it is a picture completely created by AI. You don't have to worry about any copyright issue. Here you can see, I have it automatically created text content, and at the same time create pictures. So it's a very worrying-free way to create content, and we can also try out its effect. Here we download this video again. Let's try it out and see how it works. Let's click here. Come download this video. See what the effect is. Just click this download button, and when downloading, he also provides a subtitle for you to download. So this is also very considerate. Then you can see, just click the download button. You can download the video just now.
Did you know Abraham Lincoln's assassination was filled with strange events? Keep watching to uncover the bizarre details. On April 14, 1865, Lincoln attended a play at...
After the video is downloaded, of course we need to upload the video. So we can pass the above upload button. Upload this entire video. While uploading, we need some tools. That is, how to put your video at the front. Then this. We can use this which is TubeBuddy. So you can go through this tool here. Get more traffic after you install it. Installed through registration. You can see the installation is complete. There is an icon like this in the upper right corner. That is, you can go here. You can search for more keywords about this historical event. Because after I enter this keywords related to Lincoln, you can jump out a lot here. These keywords, YouTube or Google, you can choose from any of the above keywords, and its search volume is very high. Therefore, you can. That is to say, many people pay attention to Lincoln, these events, although you can also use it as a reference. Make a video out of these events. Which keyword tag do you need? Then you can tick. Then put it in. Put these keywords in your tag bar above video. you can attract more traffic. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.